Hi friends, welcome to my channel NM Learn Meg Courses with Nagamani.
And in previous video we saw the definition of homogeneous system of linear equations, and we solved a problem on that topic, and also we solved some problems which are given in competitive exams like GATE and JEE Mains. If you see here, we are entering into the non-homogeneous system of linear equations. If we have m non-homogeneous linear equations in n variables, those are x1, x2 and so on xn, which is written as a1 x1 plus a1 2 x2 plus and so on a1n xn, which is equal to b1, where b1 is the constant. Similarly, we can write mth linear equation is am1 x1 plus am2 x2 plus and so on amn xn equal to bn. And these equations we are considering as equation 1, and this equation can be written in matrix form is ax equal to b. Okay, ax equal to b, where A is the coefficient matrix, which are a11, a12, a1n and like this, and here x is the column matrix of variables, which are x1, x2 and so on xn, where B is the column matrix of constants b1, b2, b and so on bn. And coming to the solution for this, here we can see the theorem, which is if rank of A equal to rank of AB, then it has a solution, which is also called as it is consistent. And if you consider this point as node point, now we are entering into the first point is rank of A equal to rank of AB, which is equal to number of unknown variables, then it has unique solution. And if rank of A equal to rank of AB, which is less than n, then it has infinitely many solution. And rank of A not equal to rank of AB, then the system of linear equations which has no solution, or it is also called as inconsistent. Coming to the next problem, for what values of A and B the system has infinitely many solutions? They are asking AB values, then the system have infinitely many solutions, and they are given three equations, and we are writing these equations in matrix form is here coefficients of x, y, z, we are writing 1, 1, 3 and 2, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 3. Here 2, 3, A and B. Now by converting this matrix into echelon form, we can find the rank of this matrix, and converting R2 tends to R2 minus R1, and similarly R3 tends to R3 minus 2R1. Now I am writing directly. Here there is no change in first row, so 1, 1, 3 and 2. And coming to R2, R2 minus R1, 1 minus 1, 0, 2 minus 1, 1, 4 minus 3, 1 and 3 minus 2, 1. Here R3 minus 2R1. If you see here 2R1, 2 1s are 2 and 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6 and here 2 2s are 4. And this row 3 minus 2R1, 2 minus 2, 0, 3 minus 2, 1, A minus 6 here, and here B minus 4. Okay, now by using row to R3, R3 tends to R3 minus R2. Okay, here there is no change in first row and second row, so I am writing as it is 0 1 1 1, and R3 minus R2, 0 minus 0 0, 1 minus 1 0, A minus 6 minus 1, A minus 7, and here B minus 4 minus 1, here we got B minus 5. And they are given in problem For what values of a, b, the system has infinitely many solutions. When we get infinitely many solution, when rank of a equal to rank of ab, which is less than number of unknown variables, then we get infinitely many solutions. If you see here, x, y, z are the unknown variables, and here n equal to 3. Okay, n equal to 3, which is less than n, means here when a equal to a minus 7 equal to 0 and b minus 5 equal to 0, then we get rank of a is 2 and rank of ab also 2. Then we get it has infinitely many solution. That means a equal to 7 and b equal to 5. Okay, they are asking what values of a and b the system has infinitely many solutions. If we write a equal to 7 and b equal to 5 in this matrix, we got rank of a if you see here, by substituting a equal to 7 and b equal to 5, 1 1 3 2 0 1 1 1 and 0 0. 7 minus 7 0 and 5 minus 5 0. That means rank of a equal to rank of ab, rank of a equal to rank of ab equal to 2, which is less than number of unknown variables, those which is 3. So the system has infinitely many solutions. So the values of a and b is 7 and 5. Okay.
And if you want more problems on this topic, please comment below. I will give the examples for practice purpose. And thanks for watching.